It is day 15 of quarantine and I need a haircut so bad. Oh my god. Please God, please send a barber my way. Oh,
I'm looking so crusty, man.
what's up YouTube? My name is Kevin Pack. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller and welcome to my channel. Now there's a lot of different softwares out there that people use to run their Amazon business, like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, Merchant Words, all these different type of tools that they use. But in this video, I want to clear up all that bullshit, all that confusion, and let you guys know exactly what tools I use to run my Amazon business so that you're not spending and wasting money on tools that you don't need. Of course, just a reminder, all of these tools that I'm about to list are going to be available in the description below. Links, they're affiliate links, and they're going to be discounts for you guys that I got for you guys. So you're welcome. Go ahead and use them properly and hit that. Before we get into this video, of course, I'm going to show you guys my sales lately so I can let you guys know that I'm a current Amazon seller and what's going on with my business. All right, guys, so it's a little bit past 1:30 p.m. here in California, so I'm going to refresh. Boom, look at that. Boom, look at that. 43 sales so far, $900, a little over $900 done. And that's just today. We still got a whole ass day to go. It's not even the evening yet. It hasn't hit 5 o'clock. I'm already almost at $1,000. Crazy. 27,000, almost 28,000 in the past 30 days. And yeah, overall things are looking pretty good. I'm actually running out of stock of one of my main selling products, my top selling product, so that's gonna suck. And my inventory is actually not going to come in time because of the increased demand of it. So I've been running through my stock and my inventory is not going to come in. So I'm going to be sold out for a little bit of time. Probably within like the next 20 days, I'm probably going to be sold out. And then I'm going to be sold out for a couple weeks. So it's going to suck. It is going to suck ass. But you know, that's kind of the name of the game. I did prepare for it really, really well. And I ordered inventory when I was supposed to, but what I didn't expect was this whole, you know, the whole virus thing that's going on and how it caused my product to spike in demand. And so it's been like wiping through my inventory. Good news is that I'm making a lot of money and my profits are very, very high right now. But the bad news is I'm going to end up being out of stock for a bit of time, which in turn makes me lose money. So that sucks. So the first tool you're going to need is your hands and your mouse so that you can smash the like button on this video for the YouTube gods and their algorithm. Alright, so the second tool you're gonna need is Helium 10, of course. I talk about it all the time on my channel. You guys knew this was coming. But I talk about it all the time because I really, really believe in their product and it's legitimately helped me so much in my Amazon business. So that's why I recommend it so much. But Helium 10 is an all-around, all-in-one kind of software tool. You get product research, keyword tracking, you get reverse ASIN, you get a listing optimizer, you get keyword research, you get all the right tools and all the tools that you normally would have bought separately all in one together. I'm telling you, back in the day, we used to freaking go out there and buy like 10 different softwares to meet all of the things we needed to do for Amazon. But now Helium 10 did such a kind favor for us and put it all together, and they're easy to use tools and they put it together for us to use under the Helium 10 Platinum plan. So check that out. They believe in making things easy and very efficient and making sure that your business runs efficiently as well. And I'm a big believer in that as well. And that's why I love Helium 10 so much and why I use it so much. So don't waste your time looking for all these other tools, different tools, and spend and waste all your money on fucking 10 different tools when you can have it all in one through Helium 10. Check them out down below, link in the description for discounts and then more information on them as well. Tool number 3 is gonna be Feedback Whiz. Now you gotta be able to manage your customers and let them leave you a great review or prevent negative reviews. I remember one of my products failed because I didn't manage the customer service for them to leave a negative review or positive review. Instead, I didn't do anything, and so I just got a lot of bad reviews for my product, and because of that, caused my product to fail, and I lost a lot of money because of that. Feedback Whiz is an email automator, and what they do is whenever a customer buys your product on Amazon, Feedback Whiz will send an email to the customer based on a template or campaign that you created. They'll send it right after they've bought it, or you could set the time and date of when you want that email to send or whatever. But it lets you get the opportunity to stay in contact with your customer so that you can check up on them, make sure their product is good and they received it well, and if they can leave an honest review for you. On top of that, you can tell them that if they run into any problems, to contact you, and then hopefully you resolve their problem, and that prevents you from getting negative reviews on your product. I've been using Feedback Wiz a long time. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's gotten me so many reviews, and it's prevented so many negative reviews, and it's helped me just make sure my listing stays good, keep my product 5 stars and everything, and I'm very happy with the feedback service and how easy it is to use. So also, link in the description, please go check that out. The last set of tools I'm gonna tell you guys that I use, tools number 4, is actually a combination of 2 tools that I use. Both are going to be related to accounting. First one is going to be called Shopkeeper. Now this is an accounting software that tracks your Amazon business, and it basically tells you like where you're making profit and if you're making any profit at all, and it shows you all of your expenses. That includes the Amazon fees, the gift wrap, any returns, anything miscellaneous of expenses through Amazon, long-term storage fees or short-term storage fees. All Amazon fees are accounted for in Shopkeeper. So you can see your true profits, and a lot of other softwares don't actually include all those things. They have to be manually inputted, but Shopkeeper does everything like automatically, and that's a great thing. And I love their layout. It's so like modern, and it's very encouraging, because when I get a sale, it'd be like, hooray, you got another sale. Hey, you're dope for this. It's like, come on, like Shopkeeper knows what it's doing. Now the next one is going to be called A2X Accounting. Now this is an accounting software that is more tax related. See, the thing is, when you have Amazon business, you're going to receive a 1099, and it's going to be based off of your gross profits or your gross income actually. So it's going to include everything and not your expenses. So you don't want to get taxed on your gross income because it doesn't account for all your expenses. But A2X is where it accounts for all Amazon expenses, their Amazon fees, long-term storage fees, PPC, advertising, etc. So if you're using QuickBooks, is what people usually use for their business, it can connect and link itself to your QuickBooks, and then it's gonna filter it through. So then when you get, like say a payment from Amazon, it's also gonna show all of the Amazon expenses that they took away from it. So that way you're not gonna get taxed on the whole amount. Instead, you're gonna tax on what you got back instead. At first, this was really confusing to use, but after I hopped on a call with one of their customer support members, it was easy to understand, and I got it, and it was just easy to just transfer over to. So I recommend it. You definitely want to make sure that you keep on track and on top of your taxes while you're doing this Amazon business. So keep that in mind. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you very much. And if you want to learn personally from me, I decided I'm going to give you guys who came this far into a video a discount on my course right now, $100 off. Link is in the description. When you go check out my course, put in the code Amazon100 and you'll receive $100 off both my courses. So this is for anyone who wants to learn step-by-step how to start an Amazon business. And if you want to learn directly from me, somebody who's already been through the ropes and who's already gone through the struggles and reached success, if you want to learn and minimize your mistakes, and if you're kind of scared and how to start a business, then I can help you out. So go ahead and check that out. Link in description below. Get your discount. It's going to be only available for the first 5 who use this code. So y'all can go at it. So those are all the tools that I use for my Amazon business. You don't need 100 different types of tools for your Amazon business. Those are just a select few to manage a 6-figure business. Last year I made over $220,000, and this was all that I needed. These are all the tools that I needed. I didn't need any employees or anything to manage my business. Just these tools that help me out, and that's it. So I hope this video was very helpful. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like button. Just tap that real quick. Subscribe if you want more content, and of course, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Go make that money. Peace!